Are you looking for the best oven-baked chicken wing recipe? We got you covered right here. Texas-style oven-baked chicken wings. They're flavorful and they're really simple to make, so let's get started. For this, we're using chicken wings. As you can see, the chicken wing is separated into 3 sections: the drumette, the flats or the wingettes, and the wingtip. So we're not using the wingtip, and we want to separate the wing into wingettes and drummettes. And this is for 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of either chicken winglets or drummettes. So let's take a look at the simple marinade. For this, we have 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder. I'm using a very mild chili pepper powder here. You can also use cayenne if you prefer spicier, or any other chili powder that you like. And if you like paprika, you can use that as well. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and here I have 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning and 1 teaspoon of chimichurri seasoning. Details on both of these seasonings are in the description box down below. Next, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/8 of a cup of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of raw sugar, that's unrefined golden caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar or any suitable vinegar substitute, and a teaspoon of liquid smoke. You can use this if you have it, or instead of this, you could also use a smoked paprika instead of the liquid smoke, but the liquid smoke really does give you those smoky Texas style wings. And that's basically our marinade. You want to mix this really well together. And here I have 1 kilogram, that is 2.2 pounds of chicken. Drummettes here, you can use winglets instead. I've rinsed the drummettes once so that they're slightly moist before I rub in the marinade. And now we're going to marinate this covered in the fridge 8 hours or overnight. The marination time really is important for the flavors to develop and for you to get the perfect Texas style chicken wings, so don't skip on that marination time. Once it's time to bake those chicken drummettes or winglets, you can take them out of the fridge at least 30 minutes before baking. Add 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch, that's tapioca flour, and 2 tablespoons of regular olive oil. Mix this really well. And for baking, we're going to place them either on a tray lined with parchment paper, evenly spaced, or you can also place them on a lightly greased wire rack over the baking tray. Place the tray in the oven somewhere on the lower rack, and we're going to bake this for 50 minutes with heat from above and below. If you have that function, use it, or a conventional oven is fine. We're baking at 225 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Somewhere about halfway through the cooking time, you do want to flip over the drumette for even cooking. And your tender, juicy, and packed full of flavor Texas style baked chicken wings or drummettes are ready. These chicken drummettes or winglets are just so tender and juicy and flavorful. I hope you try the recipe. Hope you enjoy the quick video recipe. Do let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!